If you've heard that Honda fixed the biggest problem with the 1.5 turbo engine, the answer is yes. The first versions of the 1.5 liter VT Turbo, installed in models like the Civic, CRV, and Accord, had two widely discussed issues. The most well known was oil dilution with gasoline, a problem that mainly affected models from 2016 to about 2019, especially in very cold climates and with short trips. Since the engine didn't reach its ideal temperature, some of the fuel ended up mixing with the oil. Honda responded with software updates and later redesigned the engine's thermal management. Thanks to these changes, the problem has practically disappeared in recent generations. The other issue was the head gasket, which in some engines could fail after many miles due to turbo pressure and the use of low-octane gasoline. Honda also reinforced this area, improving internal components and recalibrating the turbocharger control. The funny thing is that the problem that made this engine famous didn't end up destroying it. On the contrary, it forced Honda to redesign and recalibrate several aspects of the 1.5 turbo until it became a much more reliable version than the original. It's one of those cases where a bad reputation ended up helping to create a better engine. You might be wondering, is it reliable today? The answer is yes. Currently, the 1.5 turbo is one of the most efficient engines in its class. It just needs regular maintenance, timely oil changes, avoiding using the car only for very short trips, and if possible, using premium gasoline when the engine's going to be under greater demand. But let me tell you something. There's an engine that's really worth talking about, and I'll leave it here on the screen for you to check out.